everybody, Gina, Tome here. I wanted to give you a little update on my journey with cancer, breast cancer. I just finished my third round of chemotherapy, and this time around I was a little more tired, a little more achy, but I only have one more treatment to go. Thank God. It's going to be the best Christmas present ever. I think the most important thing, if you're going through this, is to keep your immune system strong, make sure you're getting plenty of rest. Nutrition is absolute key. And I still continue to work out. I don't go as hard as I used to go. I maybe work out 4 to 5 days a week, but instead of doing an hour and a half, I'll do like 30 minutes, or I'll just listen to my body. If I can only do 10 minutes, I do 10 minutes. So overall, I feel good. This time around got me a little bit more than previous sessions, but again, my counts are really good. My doctor's very impressed with how I'm doing, and I only have one more treatment to go, and then I won't ever have to worry about this stupid breast cancer ever again. So again, early detection is key. Please keep on top of your preventative appointments. That includes pap smears, mammograms. If you're not feeling right, go talk to your doctor, or you can come see me at Tome Wellness and Aesthetics.